Kabaw Valley bu Manipurda amuk handokhannaba MP Sanajaoba Parliament taksinkhre. Kabaw Valley bu Myanmar na Manipurda amuk handoraknaba thabaksing laukhatlu natraga panduna leiriba compensation gi senpham Myanmar na state natraga union government ta pihalu haina Manipur gi Eningthou Rajya Sabha ki MP Leishemba Sanajaoba Parliament taksinkhre. Ngasi phamkiba Parliament mifamgi 0 hour gi matamda MP Eningthou Sanajaoba Kabaw Valley gi wafam asi bukhaladuna hai kumja lising amaga chamapan yankai humdoigi March ki ahumda India gi Prime Minister oiramba Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru na matamadugi mahaka phammanaba Myanmar gi Prime Minister unuga loinana Manipur da mifam ama pangthoklaba matungda Kabaw Valley bu Myanmar da khudoloina pitokhi matamamada Burma haina khangnaramba Myanmar da pitokhiba square kilometer lising kunithoi ga chani ga tararom pak chawba valley asi aduki matik pothok leiba amadi laihau phaba mafam amani matam amada mafam asi anganba matam kumja lising amaga chamri yankai da maning makha tamna Eningthou panba leiba kama oina palamba Manipur gi saruk ama oirami Kabaw Valley bu Myanmar da pitokhiba adumak Manipur gi puari da khwaidagi laibak thiba numit amani maramdi thawong adu chathakiba matamda India gi Parliament natraga state lenga ki ayaba amata laukiba leite haiki MP Sanajaoba makhatana phongdokladuna Jawaharlal Nehru na kumja lising amaga chanipan kuntaruk ki Treaty of Yanda bugi leiriba channa kanglon sing ikai kumnakide kumja lising amaga chanipan kunthra marigi Kabaw Valley ki agreement ki matung ina Kabaw Valley ki compensation oina Myanmar na matamadugi Manipur gi Eningthou gambir singhada tha khudingi sikka changma gi senpham piba haina yanakibani hairiba senpham adu kumja lising amaga chamapan nipumapan phawbadadi Myanmar na Manipur da tharaglame loinana kumja lising amaga chamapan nipumapan da Manipur na India da tinkraba matungda compensation gi senpham adu kumja lising amaga chamapan yankai humdoi adu phawbadi India government na piraglame puari gi wari singbul amata nainaramdana Nehru na Valley asibu Myanmar da pithokibani puari gi chawraba soiba sinamaram oiduna Manipur miyamna Nehru amadi mahaki party Congress bu kaidanungda ngakpiroi haiba wafam tambaga loinana Myanmar na Kabaw Valley bu Manipur da amuk handoraknaba oithokpa yaba thabaksing yengsilu natraga panduna leiriba compensation gi senpham state natraga union government ta makatana thielu haina MP Sanajaoba House ki kuthangda India lenga ki pungning singsinkhre hairi.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, Pandit Nehru gifted away Kabaw Valley or Manipur to Israel, Burma, now Myanmar, on 3rd March 1953, after having a meeting in Manipur with his counterpart, Mr. Eningthou, then Prime Minister of Burma. This valley is a very resourceful and fertile landmass of nearly 22,210 square kilometers, and it had been once a part of Manipur Kingdom from as early as 1450 AD. The given away of Kabaw Valley to Burma was the most unfortunate day in the history of Manipur because it was done without any prior approval of Indian Parliament or state endorsement or rectification. Moreover, Nehru completely ignored the terms and the conditions of the Treaty of Zandabu of 1826, and accordingly to Kabaw Valley, 1834, Burma agreed to pay a sum of ₹500 Sikar rupees per month as compensation of Kabaw Valley to the then King of Manipur, Sri Gambir Singh. The said amount had been paid to Manipur till 1949. After 1949, with the merger of Manipur to India, the same amount was paid to Government of India till around 1953. Without knowing all this historical background, Nehru gifted away this resourceful valley to Burma. Moreover, because of this historical blunder, Manipur will never forgive Nehru and his party Congress. Now the valley is no more with Manipur, India, and no compensation is received yet. So I earnestly urge upon the India government through this house to examine the feasibilities of returning Kabaw Valley to Manipur.